Hello again and welcome to our very last video for DMA 30. This is part 2 of section 3.9 where we'll continue our discussion on applications of percents. Last time we talked about sales tax, total cost, tax rate, and commission, and in this video we'll finish up our applications by talking about percent increase and decrease, discounts and sale prices, and discount rates. Alright, percent increase and decrease. To define the percent increase or decrease, first you need to subtract the smaller number from the larger to find the amount of the increase or decrease. And once you have that difference, you find what the percent of the amount is of the increase or decrease is from the original number. Okay, so with percent increase and decrease, we'll always have an initial amount and then a secondary amount. It's always the first amount that we want to use as our whole or as our base when we're calculating the percent. And I think I mentioned this earlier in another video. Percent increase and decrease is one of the rare occasions where we can have a percent over 100. So let's look at an example. One serving of the original Jif peanut butter has 16 grams of fat per serving. The new Jif reduced fat contains 12 grams of fat per serving. We want to find what is the percent decrease in the number of grams of fat per serving. Okay, so this is going to be a percent decrease because the grams of fat are going down. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is find the difference. So we'll do that. 16 minus 12 will give us a difference of 4 grams. So that's the change, that's the decrease. We're going to use the original 16 as the base or the whole for our equation. Now we can do this different ways. We can do it with percent formulas. We could say 2 is what percent of 16, or we can do our proportions. Remember, the part is going to be 4 over the whole of 16, the original, equals the percent over 100. I prefer the proportions, so we're going to use this method over here. The first thing that we're going to do is find the cross products. Well, here we'll have 16x equals 4 times 100, which is 400. And then 400 divided by 16, and 16 divided by 16. The 16s will cancel, and we'll get x equals 25%. And remember, when we use that proportion method, there's no need to convert that from a decimal to a percent. It's already being solved as a percent. So the percent decrease here was 25%. Here's another example, this time with percent increase. In one school district, the number of homeschool children increased from 15 to 500 in 4 years. Find the percent increase. Okay, so first we need to find the change. That's going to be 150 minus 15. Always the big minus little, doesn't matter which one comes first. When we subtract there, we get 135. Okay, so that's the change, or our part. The whole is going to be 15. Remember, it's the initial amount, not necessarily the bigger of the two, but the initial. So this is going to be our whole. So the change is the part divided by the whole of 15. So we get 135 as our part over our whole 15 equals our unknown percent over 100 from our percent proportions. We'll find the cross products. We get 15x equals 135 times 100, or 13,500. And now we divide both sides by 15. We cancel here, and we get x equals 13,500 divided by 15, or 900%. So this is one of those instances where we have a percent over 100. It's 9 times 100. And does that make sense? Well, Yeah, if we go from 15 to 150, that's a change in tenfold. So it makes sense that we'd have a percent well over 100% if we're going up 10 times as much. Next, we'll talk about discounts and sale prices. So I've taken some formulas from the book and placed them here for you. If you're the kind of person who likes percent formulas, you can find them for you here. There are two ways to find the amount of a discount. If we're given an original price and a sale price, then we can just subtract the two to find out the amount of the discount. But if we're not given the sale price, we're just given a discount rate, we find the amount of the discount by taking the discount rate as a decimal percent, remember always decimal percents, times the original price. And then finally, to find the sale price, you take the original price and then you subtract it to get the discount. Okay, so for example, sunglasses regularly selling for $15.40 are discounted 15%. Find the amount of the discount and then find the sale price. So to find the discount, we'll use our formula up here. Because we're given the original price and a discount rate, the discount is going to equal the discount rate of 15% as a decimal, 0.15, times the original price, $15.40. Okay, we multiply those two numbers, 0.15 times $15.40, and we get $2.31. So that's our discount. And now we're going to find the sale price. That's going to be the original price, which is $15.40. Then we'll subtract from that $2.31, and that's going to leave us with $13.09 as our sale price. Here's another example. An early bird special at a restaurant offers a $10.99 prime rib dinner for only $7.95 if it is ordered before 6 p.m. Find the rate of the discount and then round to the nearest 1%. So we're going to round to the whole number percent. So remember our formula, the discount equals the rate times the original price. And what are we solving here? We're solving for the rate of discount. So our variable is going to be here for the rate. What was the discount? Well, we need to subtract these two to find that out. That's going to be $10.99 minus $7.95. So our discount was $3.04. So plug that in here. That's going to equal our unknown rate, we'll call that X, times the original price, which was $10.99. Okay, we're going to have to divide both sides by $10.99 to get X by itself. Those will cancel. Then we'll do $3.04 divided by $10.99. And we get X equals 0.2766. Then that keeps going for a little while. Now, remember we're going to have to move our decimal 2 places to the right to change this into a percent. So this is 27.66%. And if we want to round this to the nearest 1%, the 6 here is going to make the 7 go up. So we would say that's approximately 28%. So, folks, that's all she wrote for DMA 30. To review Section 3.9, we talked about sales tax, total cost, tax rates and commissions in the last video. And then in this video, we talked about percent increase and decrease, and then discount, sale price, and discount rates. I hope you've learned a lot. Good luck on your upcoming test.